OCD or obsessive-compulsive disorder is a mental health condition that affects how a person thinks and behaves. People with OCD often experience unwanted, repeated thoughts called obsessions. These thoughts can make them feel anxious or uncomfortable. In this video, observe how the teacher supports the student with OCD while still keeping the class engaged. Notice how understanding, patience, and clear guidance help the student participate more comfortably. During class activity, in this scene, the students are doing a group project. Notice how student 1 behaves differently.
Good morning, students. Good morning, Mom. How are you today? We're doing great. Okay, that's good. So ngayon, magkakaroon tayo ng pairing kasi mag-activity tayo. We are doing project making. So, Miss Farhana, can you please sit beside Miss Nonina? Ma'am, excuse me. Pwede po muna binibigyan lang ito. It's okay, Farhana. Mamaya na lang ito. No, hindi ko kasi makaka-focus na mag-maker. Okay, ganito na lang. Sige, you can fix your desk and then pag ready ka na mag-start.
Here, the teacher acknowledges the student's needs without letting it deter the whole class. This helps the student feel understood. During group discussion, now the class is discussing their project. Student 1 gets anxious when things are not perfect.
Tapos ka na ba sa explanation ko? Wait lang, hindi ko pa kasi tapos kailangan ko may double check to make sure everything is okay. Sige, bilisan mo na lang para matapos na tayo sa discussion ha? Okay, I'll try it. Parang okay naman yan. Farhana, I understand that you want it perfect. Pero kasi, pwede din naman na hindi siya 100% perfect. Basta as long as may 90% kayo and maganda yung output nyo, it's very good.
The class is now wrapping up. The teacher gives advice to everyone.
Okay, class. Before tayo umalis sa classroom na ito, I just want to remind everyone that some people, they have OCD. Ma? Yes? Ano po OCD? Okay, very good question. So, ang OCD is stands for obsessive-compulsive disorder. So, meaning an anxiety in which people have unwanted and repeated thoughts, feelings, and also ideas, sensations, which is obsession. So, meaning kapag ang tao ay ayaw niya na nakakakita siya ng marami, unorganized na bagay, and also kapag may mga kilala kayong ganon, if ever man na maghihinang kayo ng mga things nila, make sure na organize ninyo, ibabalik sa kanila, and also kailangan neat and clean din. Okay, naintindihan ko ba? Yes, ma'am. Okay, sige. Thank you po, ma'am. Mas okay na po ang feeling ko. Okay. So, ngayon, hindi ko po alam kung sa OCD before, pero mas naintindihan ko na.
In this final scene, the teacher educates the class while praising the OCD student. Awareness and patience are key. OCD can affect students' behavior in class, but with understanding and support, they can participate effectively. Teachers can help by being patient, giving clear instructions, and encouraging gradual participation. Classmates can also support by being kind and non-judgmental. Remember, small understanding gestures can make a big difference for someone with OCD.